might get scammed. ऐसे बर्बाद हो गए. Expected a lot out of today. Everybody, it is Saturday. Time flies fast, guys. So the weekend vlog has started. Yay! I don't know what I'm gonna do this weekend though, but I hope something fruitful comes out of it. I know that I have to work. So I'm going to do a little bit of work. Drinking my coconut water with chia seeds, soaked nuts and date. And yeah, that's all my breakfast is today. I don't feel like eating a lot because I ate out last night. I will get ready and go to the gym.
किसका पहनने को जैकेट देता हूँ
कितना मार रहे हो? कितना मार रहे हो? फ्लेक्स करो फ्लेक्स. देख दे. 100 kgs. 20 and then 20 again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are eating chicken curry and rice and watching Final Destination 1.
Before 5.
Yeah.
6.
We're rewatching all the movies. Guys, we've been trying for match tickets for today. It's in Bangalore and we found somebody, but we feel like we might get scammed. So we're waiting for the tickets to come and we already paid because... Hello, say something.
I am broke. I am broke after this ticket.
What do you think? Will the tickets be legit? Will we get...
I also don't know. We have to wait for that.
Only know once we go inside the match, like the stadium, because the QR will work and then we'll know whether it's the actual QR. So we have taken like a big fucking risk and it's costed us a lot. We are not even wealthy individuals to like be able to like afford so much, but we have taken this risk. Is it going to be worth it?
Don't know अगर कोहली खेल लिया तो yes.
No, we should get into the stadium first, no?
Oh हाँ वो तो अलग बात है.
For the match, we're going by a metro. I'm so scared. I just feel like I just hope nothing goes wrong. I hope things are like fine and we enter and like we can watch the match and it doesn't rain a lot. There is rain forecast, so it's like the odds are against us. So let's see. Ready?
Super ready.
Hey guys, we decided we'll just go in the bike, which is another risk because it's 12 kilometers and like it's such a far journey and there's going to be lots of traffic. But let's see, I hope things work out for us. If it doesn't, then excuse me. नेक्स्ट होगी निंतिर जा सकते ना. नहीं नहीं कुछ भी नहीं है. फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस वी आर नॉट स्कैम्ड. ये
हेलो ऊपर देखो जरा बादल.
नहीं होगा, चिल करो. यहाँ तक पहुँच गए, नहीं होगा.
वो नहीं है.
We're here. How are you feeling? First time experience. The stadium is what I live for. I'm sweating. It's so hot. Started to rain. I'm just praying it stops. Raining yet. क्या बोलना चाहते हो आप? नहीं चाहते आप? क्यों ऐसे क्यों चिल्ला रहे लोग? I also don't know guys. People are screaming. कम हो रहा है.
कोहली भाई आ गए कोहली
अरे it has almost stopped. It's almost stopping. Guys, best drainage system in the world.
सारों का जबान काट दो भाई कोई सारों का जबान काट दे
Indeed. सीसी बाहर लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए प्लीज.
500 million now.
Found out that the area that we live in, there is no rain, but there's rain here, so it doesn't make sense. It doesn't add up.
Couldn't get worse.
Time is 10:56 p.m. If the rain stops before that, it's currently 10 o'clock. Then we might have a 5-over match, which is the hope that we are waiting for. But it's raining like crazy still. पैसे बर्बाद. पैसे बर्बाद हो गए.
हो गए
Guys, हम बाहर आ चुके हैं और लस्सी पी रहे हैं. प्रोटीन वाला लस्सी. Like true
15
gym
grams
rats.
each.
15 grams each, which is not good, but okay. But nothing here is less than 100 rupees, no? Except for like veg puff and egg puff, which doesn't make sense. But they have third wave coffee for $100, which is like regular. I mean, I think it's just size only. So, guys, कुछ serious discussion चल रहा है कि मैच को बंद कर दे क्या?
कर दो
This match got abandoned. It's actually raining outside also, and we are going home now. Guys, I'm back home. Means I was back home long ago. But honestly, I feel so bad today. Like, I expected a lot out of today. I don't know why, but I think things just happen. I don't want to talk about it more. Anyway, I'm eating cereal. I don't know why. It's the no sugar cereal and it's like muesli. I'm just hungry and I don't feel like eating like a full-fledged dinner, so I'm just eating like cereal, and I think I'll pass out post that because I'm like too tired. Good morning guys, happy Sunday. Not a great Saturday for me. I'm still recovering from what happened yesterday. Anyway, I have a lot of shit to do today. I have to clean my wardrobe. Like I was supposed to do it in the week, but that didn't happen because I got caught up. So I was working. Yeah, so I was working and I will continue to work, but I don't have power. Like the power is like half. It's my room is supposed to be more brighter, but it's just half because of the rains. It's been raining, I guess, in the morning as well. I haven't gone out. So it's been raining, I think, from last night, and 5 a.m. ish I lost power. So then it came back and it came like half an hour. So there's lots of fluctuation. So that's been happening. I know that I have to wash my hair today because I got drenched yesterday. So lots of stuff to do, bro. So my wardrobe situation, guys, this is the worst shape it has ever been, I think. So sad. Guys, update on my wardrobe. It's almost clean. I have so many oversized t-shirts. I don't know what to do with that. This end is like still remaining. But yeah, like the mess wasn't so bad. I thought it would be bad, but it wasn't. I gave away almost all my clothes. My dust allergy is like activated. So yeah, I'm done with almost everything. The next weekend, my aim is to clean like my dressing and like this table and stuff. So long way to go, guys. Guys, I'm making some matcha and also working at the same time. There's some mango to eat as well, so I'll eat a little bit of this mango. Not bad. It's sweet. Nice and frothy. Let's put it in milk. I love matcha. I have become a matcha person. It's so good. Cheers. So I did not add any sweetness to this. I don't like sweet matcha, but this is going to make it sweet, so we're good. Guys, the power situation has become worse. I don't know if you guys can see me. 1 second. Okay, here is some light. I am eating chicken and rice in the dark. I just found out that we could get refund for the tickets, so I bought it in black, which is more annoying. But I've asked the person who gave me the tickets to see how they got the tickets, so at least I can get like half money out of it. So we are going to see if that works for us. So as you know, my hair got wet yesterday and I have no mood of washing it, so I'm just gonna dry shampoo it. Like, I use the Anomalies dry shampoo. I'm scared, I don't know why. I will straighten my hair so that it looks presentable at least. Guys, watching Final Destination 1. And also my hair is getting straightened, apparently not. Guys, we are going to my aunt's birthday. I'm so excited to be celebrating her birthday. We bought her a cake and we bought flowers also, and this is what I'm wearing. It's a top with like normal black jeans. Getting ready. I like the hoops, very pretty. The lipstick is a different vibe. My hair is straightened. It looks so much better than the one this look morning. Ready to go. It's raining so heavily. You look like
Hello
guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Today is my mommy's birthday.
Today is my auntie's birthday. Say hello. Guys, comment how old she looks. She looks very young. She looks 22.
26.
26. That's my mama.
She is my beautiful wife.
Yes. They are husband and wife, and these are their kids. We don't know who you are. And this is Nanu. This is my mom. Guys, the place is so pretty. This is an infinity pool. And then it's like a rooftop place, which is also very cute. You can see like the whole of Bangalore. Your mommy.
My bhai.
Bhajai.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Muskan. Happy birthday to you.
God bless you. May God bless you. Together already kisses. Happy birthday to you.
Yay.
It's like brownie fudge.
Guys, I'm driving. I know पहनो
के देखो तुम।
So
पहन के दिखाओ.
नहीं सूरज नहीं तो प्लीज पहनो नहीं तो मैं रो दूंगी।
पहन के दिखाओ.
अट्टी कट्टी पट्टी बोलो।
अच्छे लग रहे हो यार.
लग रहे हो अच्छे लग रहे हो।
कुछ भी
सच्ची में अच्छे लग रहे हो तुम.
ऐसे ही ठीक है. Shraddha, your new glasses. Please try no in front of everyone.
And then these are called the night
Show
glasses. So
show
when
your
you're
YouTube
driving-
family how you're looking on this
Yeah,
glasses.
when you're driving, you're safe and no kachra
Sure.
goes in your.
See, now you will drive like this.
Pepe.